Today we will learn the RANKX function. The RANKX function in Power BI is a DAX function used to calculate the rank of a value in a list of values. It assigns a rank to each row in a table based on the value of a specified expression. RANKX allows you to determine the ranking of items within a specific context or group. Go to the Data table Key Measures. Right-click to add a new measure. Now let's write the DAX function for this new measure. Call it rank by quarterly average revenue. The arguments required by RANKX function are table and expression. Give customers as table name and quarterly revenue as expression. And hit enter to complete. Clear the design canvas by removing other tables. Create a new table. Select the customer name and your newly created rank function as table fields. Format the table by adjusting the font for table values and column headers. The result is a bit strange. You can see rank 1 against each customer. The reason is the function by default takes only a single customer as context while calculating the rank. What to do? Here we will modify the RANKX function by enclosing customer table within all function. In this way we will tell rank function to consider all the customers as context while calculating the rank for each customer with reference to quarterly average revenue. Perfect! Rewrite the RANKX function using the all function and we are done.